Hello, today we will guide you through how to encrypt email messages in Outlook. In this walkthrough, we'll use Outlook on the web and add an encryption add-in so you can protect the contents of your messages. Email encryption helps ensure only intended recipients can read what you send, which is especially important for sensitive information. First, open your browser and go to Outlook on the web. Sign in if prompted. Once you're in, look to the upper left area and select Mail to make sure you're in your inbox view and not in Calendar or People. This places you in the right spot to compose and manage messages. Now start a new message by selecting New Mail. A compose window opens on the right. We'll add the encryption tool directly from here so it's available while you write. At the top of the compose window, select the app's icon. This is the square made of 4 small circles. This menu gives you access to Outlook add-ins that extend what you can do without leaving your message. Choose Get Add-ins. This opens the add-in store in a panel. You might see a short description of what add-ins can do and any permissions they need. Add-ins in Outlook run within your mailbox, so you can enable them without installing software on your computer. In the store's search bar, type Encrypt Mail. This will filter the results to tools designed to protect your messages. From the results, select the sample encryption app shown in your view. It's a good practice to review the description and any available details so you understand how the add-in applies protection and how recipients will read your message. Select Add to install it to your Outlook mailbox. The add-in will be added quickly, and you should see confirmation that it's ready to use. After it's added, close the store panel to return to your draft. Back in your message, look for the New Add-in button in the toolbar or the side pane. Open it, then enable encryption for this message. You'll typically see an indicator confirming that protection is active. Draft your email as usual and attach files if needed. Keep in mind that while the body and attachments are protected, the subject line may remain visible to mail systems, so avoid placing confidential details there. Recipients may be asked to sign in or use a secure link to view your message, which is normal for encrypted mail. That's it. By adding the encryption add-in and turning it on in your compose window, you're ready to send secure messages in Outlook.